Good morning, student. Once again, welcome to our 7th standard mathematics. Today we can discuss exercise 4. 5.4 is here. Question number 1. Set up equation and them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. Here we have to make the first equation. Yes, 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. 4 on the right side transposing. So plus 4 become a minus 4. 60 minus 4 gives us a 56. 8 cut. X is equal to 7. Correct. So when you put the x is equal to 7, you will find the solutions of this equation. B. Put the value is 7. Be careful. 8 7 is 56 plus 60 plus 4 is equal to 60 left side as well as right side. Both the sides equal. Unknown number is 7. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So here x upon 5 multiplied by 4 minus 4 is equal to 3. Minus 4 will shifted on the right side, which gives us a 3 plus 4. Yes, correct. See my pointer. So 3 plus 7. Now x upon 5, that means we can multiply both the side 5. Left side and right side. 5 will cut. 7 5 is 35. Look at the C. If I take 3/4 of a number and count up 3 more, 1 get 21. Equation is 3x plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 21. 3 is shifting on the right side. Plus 3 will become a minus 3. So 3x upon 4 is equal to 18 because 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. Reciprocal of 3 upon 4 you can do directly, or you can first multiply both the side 4 4. Left side 4 will cut. 18 4s are 72. Divide 3 on the both the side. 3x upon 3 is equal to 72 upon 3. X is equal to 24. Correct. X by value is 24. You just check it here. You will get the same answer. 8 3s are 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. Correct. D. When I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. So be careful here, subtraction from twice a number. You can write first. Twice means 2x. Let the number is x. Minus 11 is equal to 15. 11 move on the right side. Minus 11 is that's why it's a plus 11. 11 plus 15 gives us a 26. 2x is equal to 26. To cut both the side. So x is equal to 13. E. Munna subtracts twice the number of a notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. 50 में से 3x माइनस किया बेटा उसने 8 कर दिया. टोटल 8 होता है. मैजिक पजल. Correct. 42 is equal to 3x. Divide by both the side 3 3. So x is equal to 14. Easy. Check the answer putting the value in the equation. X is equal to 14. Where you find x, you can put the value. You have both the side, left side and right side, they are equal. Okay. F. Try to understand yourself. I will not explain now these questions. It is very easy, but x plus 19 divided by 5 is equal to 8. First, both the side multiply with 5 because I want to remove divide 5. Correct. So x is equal to 21. Correct. So very good. Look at the last one. Anwar thinks of a number if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 11 upon 2. At last you can get x is equal to 5. Correct? Yes. 7 moving on the right side, it's become at 14. Why? Because 2 is the LCM. So cut the numbers, simplified. You can zoom yourself for a big screen. Yes, correct, my dear student, you are right. Look at the question number 2. Solve the following. The teacher tells the class that the highest mark obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? B. See, here pictures are also given. Teacher is teaching and students are saying lowest and highest. Highest means double lowest plus 7. And highest mark is 87 given in the question. So we have to find out here lowest mark. So read the questions carefully once again. You will get the correct answer. This equation we already made in our first exercise. 40 mark is there. 40 double 80, 80 then plus 7. Second question is also here. In isosceles triangle, the base angle are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What is the base angle of the triangle? Remember, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can make it b plus b plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. So b plus b 2b plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. And we are shifting this 40 to the right side. So 180 minus 40, that gives us 140. So 2b is equal to 140. Divide by 2 both the side. I can have, yes, we have b is equal to 70 degree. Yes, correct. So 70 plus 40, 180 total. Smita's mother is 34 years old. 2 years from now, mother's age will be 4 times Smita's present age. What is Smita's present age? Very good question. So suppose whose age we can think, x or variable? Yes, here variable is x. And c is a 4x, 4 times of mother age 34 plus 4 will be 4 years, 4 times. 36 is equal to 4x. X is equal to 9. So Smita's present age is 9 years. Easy? Yes, correct. You all understood about this one? Color pictures are also there. Actually, this is not a Smita, but for showing only, picture is keeping on right side. Yes, correct. Put the value to the equation, you will get the same answer. Look at the famous cricketer Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Jitna Rahul ne banaya, Rahul Dravid, yes. Together, their runs fell 2 shots of a double century. How many runs did each one score? Yes, my dear student, you can find out. Rahul is X and double Sachin, X plus 2X is equal to short of double century. Double means 200 and 2 shots means minus 2, 198. So X plus 2X gives us a 3X. 198 divided by 3 both the side. 198 divided by 3 which gives us a, yes my dear student, you are right. Do in rough work. 198 divided by 3 you have a 66. So X, who is X? Rahul. And Sachin, 66, 132. Question number 3. Solve the following. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 marbles Pramit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Pramit have? This equation we already created in our first exercise. Once again, it is here, but now here we have to find out the marbles Pramit have. So M is equal to 6. M means Pramit. Correct. Look at here. 37 is equal to 5M plus 7, which gives us a 30. Why? Because 37 minus 7 gives us a 30. Then is equal to 5M. So 5 both the side cutting. 30 divided by 5, which gives us a 6. Put the value in the right side. 6 5 is 30 plus 7. So left side and right side both sides are equal. Second one. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Yes, my dear student, read the question carefully. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Left side you can write is equal to how much he is? He is the 4 years older than the 3 times of Lakshmi's present age. So 3D plus 4. 4 will come on left side, which gives us a 45. Right side, correct. So D remain is 45 divided by 3 gives us a 15. We discuss in first exercise this one. This girl is very small, but it's actually 15 years. For showing a pictures, it is here or small girl, but it says 15 years according to our questions. Oh, very good question. Maya, Madhura and Mohsina are friends studying in the same class. In a class test in a geography, Maya got 16 out of 25. Madhura got 20. Their average score was 19. How much did Mohsina score? Oh, very nice. So here Mohsina's we have to find out. 3 girls pictures are there, 116, 120. One is not given, but average given. Average means total divided by number of students is equal to average. So we can think it's a S, or you can give any name, Mohsina, M, also no problem. So 60 plus 20, which gives us a 36, plus S, multiply and divide by 3, Why? Multiply by 3 because I want to remove 3. 3 cut. 19 3s are 57. 36 plus S is equal to 57. So S is equal to 21 marks. Yes, C is the highest of 3-1. See, my marker is moving everywhere. You can understand what I am explaining. 3 cut. Left side only 36 plus S will left. Right side 19 into 3 57. Correct. Now S will be on left side and 36 is shifting to the right side. 36 is positive. It will become a negative. So 57 minus 36 gives us a 21. Yes, correct. Put the value in the equations and check out. The answer is the same one. Fourth one. People of Sundargram planted a total of 102 trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted? Yes, read the questions once again. You can get the answer. Total are 102. That means right side is 102. So number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times of the number of fruit trees. So let the fruit trees are X. So X plus 3 times non-fruit, that means 3X plus 2 is equal to 102. So now you have the equations. Simplify the equations. In easy way, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4x plus 2 is equal to 102. 2 will move on the right side. Plus 2 will become a minus 2. So now left side only 4x is remain. Right side 100. 102 minus 2, that gives us a 100. Now removing 4, that means both the side divided by 4. Left side only x remain. 100 divided by 4, what will be the answer? 25. Correct. Put the value here and you can find out. Fruit trees are 25. So what about the non-fruit trees? 3x plus 2. 25 3s are 75 plus 2, 77. Question number 4, last question and very easy. Puzzle. Yes. Jingles. I am a number. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times over and add a 50. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. Ha ha. Very good student. I am a number. Take n. Take 7 times 7n. Add 50. 7n plus 50. To reach a triple century, 30, 300. How much is shorter? You still need 40. Add 40 left side. Here left side confused boys and girls, students. But right side you had the answer with a lamb. 7n plus 50 plus 40 is equal to 300. Will you simplify yourself? Step by step you have to move. एक एक स्टेप करते जाने का, एक साथ नहीं कर देने का बेटा. Equation you are here. Yes. Confused? Okay. 7n plus 50 plus 400 is equal to 300. Yes. Now 40 plus 50. Addition 90. Correct. 7n plus 90 is equal to 300. One step. Second, 90 has to move on right side. Yes, 300 minus 90 because it's a plus, then in right side is a minus. 300 minus 90, that gives us a 210. So 7n is equal to 210. So removing 7, that means dividing both the side. 7 7. So n is equal to 300 to 10 divided by 7 means a 30. That number is a 30. Put this 30 value in this one. Will you get the both the sides same numbers? 7n. 7n means with a 210. Yes, correct. Plus 50. 210 plus 50. 260. Yes, correct. And plus 40. Yes, 300. So here we end up our lesson. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.